Gathered here are primary school teachers from all across Lagos State, and they are here for the official launching of a training program on the use of modern-day technology to enhance teaching efficiency. This initiative is tagged Eco Excel, which means excellence in child education and learning.
I want to invite you to listen attentively. This is going to be a fun-filled, action-packed training, which will expect a lot of suspense and cliffhangers. Just sit back and relax and wait for wonders to happen in the next 10 days. Once again, you are welcome. In the next 10 days, I am going to see this first phase of teachers as 21st century compliant teachers.
We are now opening another chapter in education, in line with the goals of the government of the state. And I am giving every assurance on behalf of our teachers and teachers in Lagos State that at the end of these 10 days, we are going to have a dynamic, robust 21st century teachers in Lagos State.
One thing is to promise, another thing is to fulfill it. You can now see that it is a promise fulfilled. Honestly, we are very happy. And we are congratulating the Honorable Commissioner with our chairman for this success story. And we are showing you that at the grassroots level, as your son okay there, we are going to run it up to make sure effective compliance.
The Eco Excel initiative is a brainchild of the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board and was flagged off by the Commissioner for Education, Mrs. Folashade Adefisayo.
I hope you know that our children are going to live a different life from the one that you live, that I do. And therefore we have to prepare them. And so this is part of the preparation, ensuring that every child from Lagos State will stand out. You have said anything that doesn't happen in Lagos State has not happened in Nigeria. So also anybody who sees a child who passed through the public educational system of Lagos State was proud. They must know they are looking at the best. Excellence, isn't it?
According to the Commissioner, a training will adopt the integration of technology into education, starting from the foundation, which is the primary school.
What we want to focus on is how we can transform learning in the classroom, such that every child has access to a good quality teacher. So we give them that tablet, we will give them the training. The training is very intense over the next 10 days. They will come on Saturday as well. So we give them that very intense training on how to use the tab to teach. But even beyond using a tab, they will learn other things about classroom management, how to manage with children who are having special problems or difficulties, how to assess learning properly in the classroom, so how children learn and so on. So there's going to be a lot of work done.
Also speaking at the event, the chairman, Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, stated that the Eco Excel initiative is crucial in enhancing and upscaling teachers' learning and professional development.
This is an appropriate technology for this region. Once they have the lectures in their tab, they go to class and they use it as a guide to teach the student. It makes their job easier. It's more of participation on the side of the kids. Everybody's engaged in the classroom. The teacher, the pupil, they're all engaged.
This is just a rare opportunity that is being given to them by the Lagos State government, so they should afford themselves the grace of partaking in it by being punctual in classes, by being in attendance, that is regularity. At the same time, they should make sure that they grab whatever is taught them, so that at the end of the day, they will be better off for it and become digital teachers and head teachers.
Each teacher undergoing this training will be given a tablet containing the scheme of work to work with.
Every teacher in Lagos State will get a tab. This tab has our scheme of work, it has our curriculum on it, and the teachers will use it to teach. It's not like iPad, it's already in a case, so it's safe, it's padded, it lasts, and the battery power is about 2 weeks. So a lot of thinking has gone into that instrument. We have technical people who will support if anything goes wrong.
With the opening ceremony over, the Eco Excel training commenced immediately. The teachers were taught how to be excellent and model teachers.
We love the enthusiasm that you are putting into this, and I just want to say that you guys are soldiers at the forefront in the war against illiteracy and ignorance. You know that the primary is the foundation, so that foundation needs to be solid, and if that foundation is solid, we know that our graduates in future are going to be solid. So I bid you, at Lasubeb we say, leave no child behind. Lasubeb, leave no child behind. Leave no child behind. Lasubeb. What this means is that every child has a right to basic education.
All of you have received the tab, yes, and you have responded to how you make use of them in your various classes. Yes, I've gone around other classes and I've seen that a lot of you are so excited, yes, about it, because this is a new innovation in the basic education sector. Yes. My advice to all of us, as I have said in other classes, is that we ensure that we should not let the Lagos State government down.
I am highly impressed. Their behaviors, the way they have related with the facilitators, the way they have been responding, and their participatory level in the training. So this has been very, very impressive and encouraging for us as administrators. So far so good. We can say the facilitators have done well. They have been able to provide the tabs, and the teachers are fast acquainting with the tabs. They have been able to use it effectively and efficiently. We have to wait until we get to the classroom to see how effective and efficient in teaching and learning outcomes.
I have learned a lot, and I cannot wait to start experimenting it. Like, I have learned how to go from holding my book and using a chalk to actually teaching with a tablet. A lesson note that is well planned, not one I have to dig out from a textbook or someone. So the lesson note is already in the tab, meaning that the lesson notes are updated textbooks. They are recent things that we find, not the 2x1 that we have been learning, and the same way we have been learning it. So the children are having a new learning experience coming the second term of this academic section.
The exercise is really interesting because you're going to widen the brain of the teacher and also the pupils. It will enhance their performance, their ability to understand and to able to answer each question correctly and also to progress in life.
Phase of the program lasted for 10 days. At the end of the program, over 14,000 government teachers would have been trained and upskilled using technology-driven devices.